Good morning guys, in front of me is HOTWAV Note 15 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first, open your phone dialer. Now enroll keypad, and in this panel you can enter each code that you can find that you want to use, whatever. Let me show you how it works. So let's start with pretty short code. It's *#06#, and this one will provide you device information. So right after you enter this code, all info like email and serial number would be displayed right in front of you. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *#225#**. And here you've got the calendar info. So once you have like many events in your calendars and you don't want to forget about any of them, just enter this code and they will all be displayed here. As you can see, my calendar is quite empty, but it's a brand new device, so nothing is entered yet. The last code that I would like to show you is *#426#**. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, mark more icon and choose advanced. And here you've got it. So this is it. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Obviously, if you have more, just do the same thing, provided, and you will be able to get the particular information within a couple of seconds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.